Okay, I think I found my new barber shop. It's called Orwin Barber Shop. It's right on the north side of Suki Market, and they do pretty good work in here. I was just sitting down having a haircut. Cost me 50 pesos, and I gave them a little bit more for a tip. So yeah, these are the guys that run the barber shop. Orwin, O-R-W-E-N. Okay, Orwin Barber Shop, and yeah, I'm quite happy. They did me well. So I didn't really need a haircut all that bad, but just a little trim, a little cleanup, and got that done today. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys. Take care, have a nice day. Alright, so we'll continue on down the road. Yeah, anyways, I didn't want to say it in front of them, but 50 pesos for a haircut, and that's whether you get a trim or a full haircut, whatever. And they're good old-fashioned barbers, you know, it's not a salon. So for those of you guys that like good old-fashioned barbers, get a good haircut, those are the kind of places that we cherish. So got the bakery.
We want to buy the bread.
Yeah, we need bread. Secondhand store. So anyways, yeah, I give them 50 pesos for the haircut, and I actually kind of give them like 40 pesos. Well, to be honest with you, I gave them 100 pesos. Probably didn't need to do that, but it was worth it. That's basically $2, $2 US dollars. So what the hell, $2 for a haircut? You can't beat that with a stick. So anyways, here we are at the bakery.
It's not belly, it's Cleto's.
What is it?
Cleto.
Clado?
Yes.
What's Clado?
The name of the bakery.
Oh, Clado.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not belly.
Alright. I thought that was what you're calling that. What was it that we bought for June?
This one.
That's good stuff. Can we get some of that?
Yeah, I buy 4.
Okay. So check out all the baked goods.
Magkano yung medyo mas malaki? You want
Plato's Bake Shop. Always fresh. Y'all set? I tell you what. See you guys later. Bye-bye. So, yep, we walked. So basically what we did here is we walked out of the markets. We went to every market. We went to Nipo Market. Way up front there with the green and blue roof. Then we went to that produce market, which is kind of in between. I know you really can't see what I'm talking about. And then the Suki market, which is more that direction right there. And I stopped in, got a haircut over there. And now we're here at the bakery on the corner. And we're gonna walk.
You want to wear your hat?
Sure. But you know what? I'll get some sun on my head. Why not? I'll carry some of it though if you want me to. Okay. So anyways, we're just out strolling around, really not doing anything in particular, and just bumming around. It's a nice day to do it, so why not? Yeah, sure. We'll do some secondhand shopping. Tell you what, it's really hard to find my size in shorts and especially tank tops. I've been looking all over the place for tank tops that fit me right, and it's just a pain in the butt. But these secondhand shops, that's your ticket if you're you know, have a larger frame like most of us Americans do, or most of us foreigners, I should say. These secondhand shops are your saving grace because, I'll just get across the street. They're the ones that are going to have the sizes you're looking for, more so than the malls and the department stores. So this is a secondhand shop in Alaminos City, and I've bought shorts here before, and some tank tops, other things. So, all right, we'll be back in a second. Hold on a minute. Okay, so shorts for mom. 3 for 100 pesos.
Yes.
1, 2, and then 3.
This one is Hollister.
Check that out. Hollister.
Yeah, and then this one is Roxy.
So Hollister,
Hollister, Roxy, and
Roxy.
yeah, I don't know what's this. Urban behavior.
Urban behavior.
So,
Cool.
and then I
Wow,
got
look at all
some
this stuff.
more
Jeez.
For only inside.
Right. And then I'm looking at Union Bays.
Awan tawan natin, Deng.
These will fit me for sure.
Single.
Those are 34. Iron Company.
Tatlo 200.
And then Eddie Bauer. And what are the shorts going for? How much for the shorts? How much?
And this one is 3 for 200.
3 for 200?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have another one here. 250 adyo pattern na. 270. 270 for 4. And then that one is.
And these are 100. So 270 for those 4.
Yeah. And then
100 for the 3.
100 for the 3.
And then the only thing that's left are my shorts.
Yeah, this one
I got
is
like
250.
250.
Each. Yeah, 250 each.
So 700 for everything?
700 for 3.
Sure. Yep. That's what I'm saying. It's for 700 for 3. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all for me, anyways. And those are pretty good quality. I mean, Eddie Bauer, Union Bay, and then the other thing, I think the other one was Iron Company. So word of advice to any foreigners coming over here: if you do not come with the proper amount of attire and the proper size of attire, it's going to be tough to find your size in the Philippines. So your best bet is to, well, I ain't going to say your best bet, but one of your options, I guess you could say, is to come to these secondhand stores and check them out, because I've bought quite a bit of stuff here, and stuff that fits and good quality too, for not a very bad price. I'm paying, well, 700 pesos for 3 pairs of quality shorts, and they've still got a lot of life left in them. They're not all ragged and everything. So 700 pesos, and about $14, I guess. I mean, it's not a steal, but it's still a deal, so not bad. What's that?
1,070.
I know. Oh,
All.
if they're a good size, definitely. I have those are mediums right there. That's a medium?
Yeah.
Which,
For ladies.
oh, I thought you were looking out for me this time, but okay.
Yeah, if you want to wear at home, then you can wear at home.
No.
Awan ti pang lalaki.
So, anyways, here you have it, guys. Your secondhand clothing store. This is on the back street here, behind all the markets and the bakery and whatnot. So. Alright, we're going to wrap up here. Move along. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Later. Bye-bye.